Okay, so this is for my parked car crew. Parked car crew, yes. Are you a part of the parked car crew? You know, the people that went and bought the like top of the line vehicle, got all the bells and whistles. The car has a personalized license plate, has the gas tank on full, smells good, looks good, shined up with a top of the line detail job. All of that. But one problem, the car that's designed to take them somewhere never made it out of the parking lot, never made it out of the garage. It's so pretty, it's ready to go, but you ain't using it to take you anywhere. Sound familiar about your business? Beautiful business, best kept secret, no marketing, nobody knows you are operating, and it's a shined up car. Do not be a part of the parked car crew, okay? You didn't spend all that money going to get that website built and all that money getting those professional photos taken and getting those business cards made up and all the things you've invested in your business to keep it a secret. Let us know. Let us know today. Let us know tomorrow, and commit to letting us know every day who you are and what you do. Don't keep that pretty car in the garage, in the parking lot. Take it out. Take it on a drive. Let us see what you're working with. Okay? Maybe somebody might want to support if we would know that you had it. All right. You want to talk to me about it? All right. Make an appointment. Organizedenergy.co. Because what I do is help build brands and develop the professionals behind them. All right, guys.